Why to choose American Airline? Sure, here are 5 features of American Airlines. 1. Extensive network. American Airlines operates one of the largest airline networks in the world, with flights to over 350 destinations in 50 countries. This makes it a convenient option for travelers looking to fly to popular domestic and international destinations. 2. Frequent Flyer Program. American Airlines Frequent Flyer Program, AAdvantage, is one of the most popular loyalty programs in the airline industry. Members can earn miles through flying or by using American Airlines partners, and can redeem them for flights, upgrades, and other rewards. 3. In-flight entertainment. American Airlines offers a range of in-flight entertainment options, including movies, TV shows, music, and games. Passengers can access these options through seatback screens or personal devices, depending on the aircraft. 4. Admirals Club Lounges. American Airlines Admirals Club Lounges offer a comfortable and relaxing environment for passengers to wait for their flight. Amenities include complimentary food and drinks, workspaces, and showers. Access to the lounges is available for purchase or through elite status in the AAdvantage program. 5. Customer service. American Airlines has a strong focus on customer service, with a dedicated customer service team available 24/7 to assist with any issues or inquiries. The airline has won several awards for its customer service, including the Best Airline Customer Service award from Global Traveler magazine. Thanks for watching.